Alright, today is Monday, July 11th, 2016. I am MT Pi. This is my Suzuki Hayabusa single turbo build. It's 2008 or up, second gen Suzuki Hayabusa GSX1300R, which is just like probably the fastest version that you can get. I'm not entirely sure about that. But the initial file came from Francesco Powell, I'm not sure how you pronounce that, from sidewayscustomsgarage.weebly.com. And sideways is with a Z, customs is with a K and a Z as well. That's just garage.weebly.com, or you can find them on Facebook with the same name, I believe. So basically this is just it's for the drag build competition and on the forums. I got in just in time because the Land Cruiser build was initially going to be for that, but I couldn't finish in time because I'm going to do a build video for every single one of these. So basically it's just a single turbo Hayabusa, which I use. Most of the engine parts are from S-Tuner, but the transmission and clutch aren't. Oh, and by the way, this is just a voiceover of the video I originally recorded because I couldn't record another one because my Chrome actually crashed, so that sucks, but at least I got a video of it. So the shock is from a Ducati, so is the front fork and the rear kind of braking gear assembly. So the whole fork and handlebar and all that is from that Ducati. You might have seen the same fork on I posted a couple teasers of a Ducati I was building, a cafe racer. The frame, all in red, part of that is from an Aprilia, I think, and the other part is from a Suzuki 650, or not Suzuki, Yamaha, my bad. But yeah, so I just merged the two frames together. The file didn't come with any frames, and plus I think the Hayabusa comes with a built-in frame anyways, so that's like just for looks and for strength, I guess. I thought it just looked really neat. The turbo I used was just on time. Alright. The turbo I used was a turbo I converted. It's in black market imports. It's really neat. It has all the holes around the compressor. So that's kind of neat. But yeah. And there's a little tiny wastegate on the other side. All the pipes, as you can see, are all S-Tuner. I'm pretty good at piping. I'm not the best. You can see a couple flaws there, here and there. The chain got a little distorted because the swing arm was so long, but that's the look I was going for. I used the external oil cooler as a radiator sort of thing up there. There's the tiny wastegate I'm showing off. And a dump pipe just goes straight down because it's probably not a street legal bike anyways. The stand there, I'll probably put that in S-Tuner bikes. I'm thinking about making that page, instead of having the whole mod pack on it, instead of having the whole mod pack on it, I'm thinking of just uploading packs of just wheels and tires, and then packs of just miscellaneous things, packs of just frames, packs of just tanks, so then you can build them all, and that way I won't have to put an external link, it will just be off of Facebook's files. So that'd be nice. Let's see what else. The chain is kind of distorted because I didn't have any longer chain files. The actual bike itself, the fairing, I screwed up the manifold there, you can see. But the actual bike, the fairing of it, I had to chop down a lot, and you'll see that in the upcoming. I got a half of a time lapse, but it screwed up. But I'm just gonna pop that in right here after a few more pans. But I'll do a long pan around it, and then we'll start it.
I can't find my way back to you till you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home. find your way back home. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Until you find your way back home. I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now. Yeah, I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. That it feels right. Feels right. So right, so right, so right. I'm just going with the gut. Never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet. Hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back.